Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you would be okay in your respective homes. Government is devising a policy to conduct your examinations in the month of October or November online. So it is better move to remain inside your homes, stick to the books and concentrate on your studies so that you can crack the approaching examinations with a very good margin of marks, or we may say you can crack these examinations with a difference. Second terrible thing here is that COVID-19 infection is gaining wild pace. It is killing people in lakhs. In order to save ourselves, we have to keep ourselves in home isolation, that is the quarantine for us. Dear students, today morning a student called me named Khurshid to throw light on the Mendel Commission. Class 12th, subject political science. Dear students, in a video of 5 or 6 minutes, we cannot fully describe the recommendations and their implementation thereafter, but the glimpses of the Mandal Commission I will try to make you understand to some extent. Dear students, Mandal Commission was established on 1st of January 1979 when there was Janta government, and government was headed by Mehraji Desai. Under the chairmanship of late B.P. Mandal, a parliamentarian, this commission was framed, and this commission is also called Socially Educationally Backward Class Commission. This commission was given the task to study the caste discrimination, to study backward class people in India, and suggest some remedies, suggest some recommendations for uplift them educationally, economically, and socially. Dear students, he used 11 indicators to study social, economic, and educational backwardness of the people. He finally found that 52% of Indian population comprises or consists other backward class people. For uplifting these other backward class people, we need to give them reservations. In his report, he suggested that these people should be given 27% reservation in the central government and public sector jobs and public sector undertakings, so that their percentage of reservation reached to 49%, including scheduled castes and scheduled tribes. Their students, in 1990, VP Singh was the Prime Minister of India. He tried to implement the recommendations of the Mandal Commission, but finally, youth or students saw something fishy in it. When they applied for the jobs, they saw there is only 5% reservation in the government jobs and government jobs for us. So countrywide protests held, demonstrations held. In these disturbing circumstances, the apex court, that Supreme Court of India, stayed the implementations of Mandal Commission in 1992. Precisely, we can say There were three main recommendations for other backward classes by the Mandal Commission. First, a reservation quota should be given 27% to those people who do not qualify on the merit. I'm talking about the other backward classes, that's OBC, and they should be given 27% reservation if they don't qualify on the merit. Secondly, 27% reservation should be given to the other backward classes in case of promotions in public service in public service commission. And thirdly, if reserved quota remains unfilled, it should be reserved for 3 years, and after that it should be de-reserved if not filled. So dear students, this is all about the Mandal Commission that was set in 1979 to study the economic and backward class people of India and to suggest recommendations for their upliftment, for their social, economic and educational upliftment. Dear students, books are available with you. In your possession, there are very good political science reference books. Do see these things on your books. If a question strikes your mind or a query strikes your mind, you can call me on 7006671106 or WhatsApp me on same number, that's 7006671106. Even you are free to post your query on my email, that's kgm38864@gmail.com, and within a very short time your query shall be answered. Because I am acting as a counselor, I am acting as a guide, I am getting handsome salary from the state exchequer. But before leaving the class, I am advising you to concentrate on self-studies, and there is no substitution for self-studies and hard work. One more advice for you to remain in the home's isolation with the books. It is sort of quarantine for you so that you can defeat the COVID-19 infection that is putting heavy amount of pressure on the globe and killing people in plenty. Thanks. Be blessed.